Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is the product, quotient and chain rule. The formulas used are included in the video and the questions are also posted in the description box below. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note when some of the formulas used in these videos, which are taken from DP, exams and past papers, do not appear in most textbooks or the formula sheet attached to your exam. You will need to know them in order to do some of the sums. They appear in the beginning and end screens. Let's get straight into it. First things first is the chain rule. Now I like to call it the outer inner rule. Now the chain rule goes e to the 3x. Now this one, now e to the x stays e to the x, whatever that is. So now we go e to the 3x multiplied by 3x. So what you can do for this is u substitution, which means that you can say let 3x equal u. What we have here is, let's rub this out, we have e to the u. So e to the u stays e to the u, multiplied by the derivative of u. Now the derivative of that, so the derivative 3x dy of dx equals 3. So we multiply that by u's derivative. So then we are left with e to the 3x multiplied by 3, which equals 3e to the 3x. And that is our final answer. I've just done it the long way to show you how it's done, but you can do it the short way or however you need to get it done, as long as you get the right answer. Next one. 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1 to the power 8. Right, this is where the outer inner comes in. So, this is the outer. The exponent is the outer. So, all we do is differentiate. And all we're going to do is differentiate. So we say 7 times. We can also use u substitution here. This is not going to be a problem. Let u equal 2x plus 1. So then we have u to the power 8 times dy over du. So we have 8 u to the power 7 multiplied by, now that is just 2x plus 1. So if we differentiate that, it'll just equal to 2. If we differentiate that, that'll equal to 2. So let's put it all together. 2 times 8 is 16, u to the power 7 equals 16 times 2x plus 1 to the power 7. And that is our final answer. Now the next one is 2 to the 3x. Now we're going to differentiate this. So 2 to the u, let u equal 3x. So 2 to the u will equal 2 to the u ln 2, and that's it. Now we multiply by the derivative of u, which is 3. So what we are left with is 3x ln 2 times 3. And finally, we have ln sine x. Okay, let u equal sine x. So this will equal 1 over u times dy over du, okay, which equals 1 over sine x times cos x, which will equal cos x over sine x, which equals, as we all know, cot x. Next is product rule. Y equals x squared times sine x. Now, the product rule goes like this. U v prime plus u prime v. That is the formula we're going to follow here. So, we're going to say, this is u and that's v. So, we're going to say x squared times v prime. V prime is the derivative. So v is equal to sine x, v prime is equal to cos x. So it's cos x, u is equal to x squared, u prime is equal to 2x. So plus 2x times sine x. And that is, now we can put it all together, x squared cos x plus 2x sine x. And that is the final answer for that. Now we are going to do one that I found many people have hit a flop on, is y is equal to x ln x minus x. Okay, remember, this here is product rule over here. That is just regular differentiation. So how that's going to work is x times 1 over x plus 1 times ln x minus 1. Okay? That is how it's going to look. No differential, differential. Differential, no differential. As according to our formula. So, x is equal to 1. U is equal to x. U prime is equal to 1. V is equal to ln x. And V prime is equal to 1 over x. As you can plainly see. So, what we are left with is x times 1 over x is x over x plus ln x minus 1. Okay, so anything over itself is equal to 1. So 1 plus ln x minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So we're left with ln x. Next we are going to cover the quotient rule. The quotient rule is y is equal to x over cos x. Now the formula here is a little bit different. It is v u prime minus u v prime all over v squared. Alright, now what we're going to do now, always v is the denominator, always. Always v is the denominator and u is the numerator. So we have cos x times 1 minus, so let's do it, u equals x, u prime equals 1, v equals cos x, and v prime equals minus sine x. So then we have u, which is x, times minus sine x, all over cos squared x. So, let's neaten this up. We have cos x. Now minus times a minus is a plus. So we plus x sine x all over cos squared x. That's a relatively simple one to do, but has to be learned nonetheless. Next one, x squared over the root x cubed minus 8. So, now u is x squared, u prime is 2x, v is the root of x cubed minus 8, and that is half times x cubed minus 8 over minus half times, because we have to use the chain rule here, 3x squared. Next, what we are doing is still quotient rule, and here is our basic things that we need to know. So let's go. V is the root of x cubed minus 8 multiplied by u prime, which is 2x, minus, now u is x squared multiplied by a half x cubed minus 8 to the power minus to the negative a half multiplied by 3x squared. All over, all of this over the root of x cubed minus 8 squared. And that will be our final answer. And this will be our next sum. You can simplify it if you wish, but it's quite complicated to do, and it's not worth the marks. Always do the simplest possible thing possible, do the simplest things possible, and you will get your marks guaranteed. Because the more you overcomplicate it, the more they have to try and mark. So it's best not to overcomplicate things. So we have sine 2x divided by x squared. So we have u is sine 2x. What you do is you just say 2 cos 2x. Now v is x squared, and that is 2x. Alright, let's put it all together. V and u. V is x squared times 2 cos 2x minus u, which is sine 2x times 2x, all divided by x squared squared. So let's put it all together. So we have 2x squared cos 2x minus 2x sine 2x all over x to the power 4. Now what we can do is we can take a 2x out. So take 2x out, 2x times x cos 2x minus 2x minus sine 2x all over x to the power 4. Right, well, what we are left with is x divided by x to the power 4. So this can come out, and we are left with 3. And take away that x. And that is what we are left with. That's if you wanted to simplify it further. So this can be your final answer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon, or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.